Hey there, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to advertise on Telegram ads. Let's begin. So once you go to your web browser, you are going to type in ads.telegram.org and you're going to hit enter or go. From here, it's going to say Telegram ads, and then here you can create your own personalized Telegram ad, and every month, 950 million Telegram users generate 1 trillion views. So you're going to scroll down a bit, then select log in to start advertising. From here, you're going to have to enter in your phone number. Afterwards, you're going to get a message on Telegram telling you that you need to either decline or confirm that you're trying to log into the advertising platform. So go to the bottom and select confirm. And then at the top, it's going to say accepted. So you have to go back to the website. From here, you're going to have two options. It's going to say to select your account. You could either use your personal account or you can create a new organization. So you have an organization, go to the bottom and then select that option. But if you want to use your personal account, select the one at the top, which has your name. From here, you're going to enter in your personal info, such as your full name, email, and so on. Afterwards, it's going to say you have no ads yet. Create your first ad by clicking the button below. So select create a new ad. From here, you're going to enter in the ad title. I'm going to say example 1, and then below that, you can enter in your ad text. Then after ad text, go to the bottom there and it says URL you want to promote. So you're going to paste in the URL of your Telegram ad or your channel that you want to promote. Afterwards, once you scroll down, it's going to say initial status. You could either choose to leave it on active or on hold. Then if you want more information, just simply select the I option there on the right side of the text, and it's going to tell you what that means. This status will be applied to the ad after the review. And then you can also run the ad on schedule if you want. And then you can also target specific channels. So if you have a specific channel in mind that you want to target, then you're going to type it there, or you can just paste in the link or the URL. So if you go to the URL you want to promote, you're simply going to hold and then select paste. Scroll down, and then you can also enter in your CPM in ton. So you're going to choose a specific amount, and then it's going to give you the currency on the right side in euros. And then you can also change the daily views limit per user. So how many times is the user going to get the ad? So you can choose once, twice, 3 times, or 4th. And then it's going to say your initial budget in ton. And then you can also set in a daily limit. Once you're done, go to the bottom and then select I have read and agree with the Telegram app platform terms of service, and select create ad. And there you go. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.